Hi there, students. Consternation, a noun. I don't really have an adjective or an adverb for it. Let's see. Consternation, this is a feeling of worry, shock, or confusion. Let's see. Imagine you're going on holiday and you arrive at the airport and you suddenly realize you've left your passport at home. Consternation, that's how you feel. Shock, confusion, upset, yeah? So to my consternation, when I got to the airport, I discovered that I'd left my passport behind. A strong feeling of annoyance and anger, usually because something bad has happened to you and you can't change it, or it's completely unexpected. Very often we use this phrase, to his consternation, to her consternation. The power failure caused consternation among the students at the school. Okay, so consternation, people, they don't know what to do, they don't know what to think, and this is consternation. Amazement or dismay, dismay, that you've been thrown into confusion. When they realised they'd been robbed, they looked at each other in consternation. Neither of them knew what to do about it. So a state of alarm, agitation, anxiety, confusion, dismay, His decision to resign caused consternation among his fellow workers, among his colleagues. There was general consternation when the scandal broke. To my great consternation, I got home to discover that I didn't have the key, that I'd lost it. I remember once I was at a market and somebody stole my bag, and to my consternation, the car keys were in the bag and I didn't have any. So, that's consternation. You're alarmed, you're confused, amazement and horror, that it also incapacitates you while you think about what the hell do I do, in consternation. This is a very common phrase. There was consternation when I put the cat among the pigeons. To put the cat among the pigeons. That's the idea of consternation. When people, they don't know what to do. They don't know what to say. When he took all his clothes off in the middle of this formal party, there was consternation among the guests. They didn't know what to think. They didn't know where to look. It caused consternation. To my consternation, I went to there was no money in my bank account. I put my card in the hole in the wall, and to my consternation, it refused to give me any money at all. Amazement, dismay, surprise. Okay, to somebody's consternation. There was great consternation. Consternation abounded. Surprise, dismay, upset, people not very happy about it. There was consternation because the internet went down. So it's got this idea of people just surprised, amazed, and not knowing what to do. Okay, so how formal is consternation? I think I'd probably give it a 6 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation, but informally an unpleasant surprise, dismay, my dismay, something like that. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Latin, consternio, meaning confusion, dismay, disturbance, tumult, something like that. Okay, so consternation, to somebody's consternation, to their surprise, dismay, to their they unhappily discover. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Consternation.